Need to keep some files private on your Mac? You can create a password protected folder using disk utility, which is already built into macOS. No app purchase, no subscription. Here is how. Open Spotlight with Command plus space, type disk utility and press enter. Once it's open, go to the file menu in the menu bar and hover over new image. From the sub-menu, choose image from folder. Now select the folder you want to protect. A file browser opens here. Navigate to the folder you want to password protect. Click on it to select it and click choose. Disk utility will create an encrypted disk image from the contents of that folder. Now here is the important part, setting up the encryption and password. A save dialog opens here. In the encryption drop-down, choose 128-bit AES encryption. That's a strong standard level of protection that's more than enough for personal files. In the image format drop-down, allow both reading and writing files after the vault is created. Choose Apple Sparse Image. This format lets you open the encrypted vault later, add new files, delete old ones, and make changes whenever needed without recreating the image. Avoid options like read-only image or read-only compressed image because those lock the contents and prevent future edits. Give the file a name. Choose where to save it and click Save. macOS immediately prompts you to set a password. Enter it twice and click Choose. Now let's look at how you actually use it day to day. Disk utility creates a .gmg file. That's your vault. Double-click that DMG file and enter your password to open it. It mounts like a drive and you can add, edit or view files inside it just like any other folder. When you are done, eject it from Finder by clicking the eject icon next to it in the sidebar. The files are locked and inaccessible until you enter the password again. Once the .dmg is created and you have verified the contents look right, delete the original unprotected folder. The .dmg is now your only copy and it's locked behind your password. It takes about 2 minutes to set up and works reliably with no ongoing maintenance. Subscribe for more Mac tips.